Waist pain, often synonymous with lower back discomfort, is a massive issue worldwide. What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could significantly reduce or even eliminate that nagging waist pain? Now, the core of our plan, a 7-day framework blending posture, movement, nutrition, therapy, and mindset. Each day builds on the last for cumulative results. We'll dive into why it works.
Day 1, 2. Reset your posture. Why it works. Slouching or leaning forward can increase pressure on your spinal discs by up to 60%, turning mild strain into chronic pain. Over 2 days, you'll retrain your body to default to supportive alignment.
A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that poor sitting habits elevate lumbar stress, but corrections reduce it almost immediately. Over 2 days, you'll retrain your body to default to supportive alignment, easing that extra load. Actionable tips. Sit with hips slightly higher than knees. Use a cushion if needed, for a 90, 100-degree angle at hips and knees. Feet flat on the floor, shoulders relaxed. No crossing legs, which twists your pelvis. Position your screen at eye level. Top third aligns with your gaze, to avoid neck craning. Every 20-30 minutes, stand, arch backward gently with hands on hips, and roll shoulders back 5 times. This micro break prevents stiffness.
Day 3, 4. Gentle stretch and strengthen. Why it works. Targeted exercises boost blood flow to discs and muscles, reducing stiffness and building resilience. Studies show exercises like these can cut back pain intensity by significant margins.
Another study found Pilates-style moves, similar to ours, more effective than general exercise for pain relief. Detailed exercises, 10-15 minutes daily, no equipment needed. Cat-cow stretch. On all fours, alternate arching, cow and rounding, cat. Your back for 3 sets of 30 seconds. This lubricates your spine and eases tension. Pelvic tilt. Lie on your back, knees bent, tilt pelvis to flatten your lower back against the floor. 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Targets deep core for stability. Bird dog. From all fours, extend opposite arm and leg, hold 5 seconds, 2 sets of 10 per side. Enhances balance.
Day 5, anti-inflammatory nutrition. Why it works. Inflammation fuels pain cycles. Anti-inflammatory foods combat it at the source.
Curcumin in turmeric, paired with black pepper, has been shown to lower inflammatory markers like CRP by 0.58 mgl on average. Omega-3s from fish similarly reduce joint inflammation per multiple reviews. What to eat? Focus on these daily. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines too. 3 servings per week for omega-3s that ease swelling. Turmeric tea or golden milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric plus pinch black pepper, sip twice daily. Antioxidant-rich produce, berries, leafy greens, broccoli. Aim for 5+ servings.
Day 6, heat therapy. Heat boosts circulation, relaxing tight muscles and speeding nutrient delivery.
Why it works. Heat boosts circulation, relaxing tight muscles and speeding nutrient delivery. Combined with prior day's stretches, it amplifies healing. Studies confirm it reduces muscle soreness and promotes recovery. How to apply.
Use a heating pad for 15-20 minutes, 2-3 times daily.
Use a heating pad, warm towel, or hot water bottle on your lower back for 15-20 minutes 2-3 times daily. For acute flare-ups with swelling, alternate with ice, 20 minutes on-off. First 48 hours, in half.
Day 7, mind-body reset. Mindfulness rewires pain perception in the brain, reducing intensity by up to 40-50% in studies. Practice deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 6.
An 8-week mindfulness program led to better pain management and less opioid use in chronic sufferers. Another trial showed mindfulness and CBT improving back pain and function significantly. Practices: 10-15 minutes daily. Deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 6. Repeat 10 times to lower cortisol. Guided meditation. Use apps like Calm for back pain-specific sessions. Progressive relaxation. Tense and release muscle groups from toes to head.
This 7-day plan is a complete ecosystem. Posture lays the foundation, stretches build strength, nutrition fights inflammation from within, heat accelerates recovery, and mindset seals the deal. Stack them all, and research-backed results show rapid improvements. Most people notice shifts by day 3, 4, with full benefits by week's end. Miss one element, and you might see slower gains. But follow the complete plan for best results.